My name is Alex Quazelli and I am the VP of Analytics for Zementis. In this video I will show you how easy it is to deploy and execute a predictive model in ADAPA. I will start by building a decision tree model in R. I will then export this model as a PMML file and upload it in ADAPA. For that I will use the ADAPA trial subscription available for free on the Zementis website. Once the model is deployed in ADAPA, I will use the ADAPA Excel add-in to score data from within Excel. So, from the Zementis website, I will click on the support link available on the top menu. That will open a new tab with the ADAPA support site. This site is loaded with useful information about ADAPA. The FAQ categories on the left give an overview of all the covered topics. For example, the first lists all the postings under the topic ADAPA tutorials, followed by information on the ADAPA add-in for Excel. The information we're looking for is related to R and PMML. Let me scroll all the way down to the topic, PMML and the R project, and click on the link Exporting Decision Tree Models in PMML from R. This posting will give a brief introduction to the R PMML package and support for decision trees. As you can see, it also tells you where to locate the PMML package, which is available through CRAM or from Toggleware itself. The posting also gives a sample script we can use to build a classification tree. Now, this script uses the audit data from Toggleware. The audit data is an artificial data set consisting of 2,000 clients who have been audited, maybe for tax refund compliance. For each case, an outcome is recorded, and any amount of adjustment that resulted from the auditing is also recorded. This data set is then used to train a classification tree using the R package rpart. After the model is built, the script then calls the PMML package to export the model as a PML file. This is then saved into a local directory by using the save XML command. Let me copy this script and open the R console. Okay, I will now paste the entire script into the console and click Enter. That should do it. So let's now locate the file. Here it is, audit3.xml. Let me open the file so that we can look at the PML code itself. And here it is. So we can see that this code was generated by the R package for PMML. And then we have here the dictionary for all the input fields and the valid values for the categorical fields. So the idea here is really to take this into ADAPA. So for that, I will go back to the main page of the Zementis website, and then I will click on the free trial link. And here we are. Given that I already registered for my free subscription, I will go ahead and enter my password to access the ADAPA console. Note that I already uploaded quite a few models into ADAPA, including a support vector machine, a regression model, a neural network, a restricted Boltzmann machine, and a classification tree developed in SAS. To upload the tree model I just developed in R, I will go ahead and click on the Upload PMML Files button. So let me click on Add File and select the file we want to upload, audit3.xml. There we go. ADAPA already uploaded it. ADAPA will upload PML files versions 2.0 all the way to version 4.0. That's because it incorporates a PML converter, which will convert older versions of PMML to version 4.0, its latest. As you can see, the model has already been uploaded and so it's ready to be executed. Now I could score data against my new model via the ADAPA console by selecting the Score Classify data panel. In this panel, I can upload the audit data and score it in batch mode against the classification tree model I just built in R. Or else, I could use web services. All models uploading ADAPA are automatically available as web services. For more information on the console, as well as all the ADAPA features and web services, please make sure to take a look at the help page. It describes all the ADAPA components, which include not only predictive models, but also business rules, reports, and web services. In the help page, you have access to all the ADAPA documentation. I highly recommend the ADAPA Solutions Guide. Besides explaining how all the ADAPA components fit together, it also makes for great bedtime reading. The idea here, though, is to score data from within Excel using the ADAPA add-in. The add-in is available for free and can be installed in less than 5 minutes. You need Excel 2007 or 2010. Once installed, you'll get a new Excel tab that reads Predict with ADAPA. Note that the add-in contains 4 simple buttons. The first button allows for setting up a connection to ADAPA. In this case, I'll connect the free trial instance. For that, I'll click Use Demo and use the same email and password I used to log in to the ADAPA console. By clicking Test, I make sure the setup was successful. There we go. It discovered all my models. Now I'll click OK and OK again. Note that I already preloaded the audit data into Excel. For scoring, the predictive field has been omitted from the dataset. It will be produced by ADAPA as a result of the scoring process. Now it's time for scoring. By clicking on Apply Model, I can select the classification tree I built in R. ADAPA will automatically pair input fields with model inputs. Note that the output field contains the predicted field adjusted. I will then click on Score to score this dataset in ADAPA. Once I do that, ADAPA will score each record and give back the predicted field, adjusted, as highlighted here. That's it! In this video, I showed you how to build a predictive model in R, export it as a PMML file, and import it in ADAPA. I also scored the audit data against the deployed model from within Excel using the ADAPA add-in. For questions or comments about ADAPA and all the Zeman services, please click on the contact link on our website. Fill out the form and submit. We will contact you back right away. Thank you very much.